Millions of Americans in cities from Chicago to Los Angeles are silently feeding a predator inside their own bodies, and they have absolutely no idea. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Right now, a microscopic war is happening inside your stomach. Harvard Medical School calls it the gut-brain axis. When you eat the standard American lunch, heavy, processed, and lifeless, you are actively destroying your mental health. You are feeding the bad bacteria. But halfway across the world, there is a population that has completely bulletproofed their biology. Enter the Korean gut defense. Educational purposes only. On average, Koreans consume 22 kilos of fermented kimchi per year. But the real secret weapon is how they build their foundation. They don't just eat white rice, they engineer a complex biological shield using mixed grains: black rice for that deep purple hue, pearl barley for texture, millet to bind it, and black soybeans packed with clean protein. Instead of one massive gut-destroying plate, they use the banchan method: multiple tiny sides, blanched spinach, seasoned bean sprouts, and cured salmon. It's a massive injection of diverse fibers that rebuilds your gut lining cell by cell. If you want to integrate this into a US lifestyle, you have to transition slowly. Start with 80% white rice and 20% mixed grains. Soak your beans overnight so they don't make you bloated. Over time, your microbiome will adapt, your brain fog will lift, and your digestion will become a machine. It takes dedication to prep this way. You have to ask yourself if you're ready to starve the predator and heal your second brain. Will you make the switch? Or will you just be one of the